Hello friends, in this lecture we will explore some of the text formatting stuffs. Say for example you have written a paragraph. Now how can you style it or how can you make it emphasized? So there are tons of things that you can do with your paragraph or with your text. And here in this lecture we will explore some of those. So first of all, let's go to file, save this as text formatting. Now let's save it and we will delete everything. Okay, so now let me write here a paragraph. So inside p tag, say I like jam. You also like jam, isn't it? Okay, so let's save it. Let's preview it in our browser so that we can see that how it looks. I like jam. It's normal text. Now let's come to our text editor and here enclose this inside B tag. B for bold. So let's save it and take a look here. See, now it's bold. And now let's copy it. Press Ctrl C to copy and paste it. Now instead of B, enclose it inside I tag. I for italic. I like jam in italic. Okay, next we have another. So let's paste it and instead of B, let's write here Mark. Yeah, Mark Johnson. It's not name, it's a tag actually. So let's take a look how it looks. See, it's marked text. Say for example, I like yellow color. Let's save it and take a look. I like yellow color. So this is highlighted. So mark tag will help you highlighting your text. You can even style it. Style equals background color. So let's make it green. Save it. Now take a look. See, now it's green now. So by default it's yellow because yellow is prominent. You can even change it. So let's make it default only. Or you can do one thing. Let me cut it. So press Ctrl X to cut. Save it. Write here say I like cheese and enclose this cheese inside mark tag. Now paste the style. So now let's save it and take a look. I like yellow color, I like cheese. Or it's better if you write here say grass because grass is green, right? Yep, so it's cool. Okay, now we have other tags also, like let me first copy this one. I like jam. That's why I'm copying it many times. Now instead of I, let's enclose it inside M. Save it and take a look. I like jam. Now this M works like italic only, and there is another that is strong, and that's same as bold. Instead of I, let's make it strong. You are also strong, isn't it? So now let's save it and take a look. I like jam. Yeah, I am emphasizing it. Yes, I like jam. Okay, then we have some other formatting, like say small. What small does, it will make your text small. So refresh it. See, I like little jam. Okay, then we have big. Let's save it I like Big Jam. Now, previously we have already seen two more tags. One is sub and another is soup. Not SOUP soup, but SUP soup. But actually, sub is for subscript and soup is for the superscript. So let me proceed. Now, say for example, you want to write something, say 2 to the power 5 or 2 to the power 10 or say x to the power y. So, how you can write that to the power value? You can write, say, first of all, that x number. Let me write here x. Now, 2 to the power something, say y. So, how you will write that? You need to write that y inside the sup tag, which is the superscript. And let's write here, say y. Now, let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. There you go, x to the power y. Previously, you already know that we have a var tag. So let's enclose this inside var tag, only this x, just to have some fun. So let's hit refresh and there you go. Now this x seems like a variable, isn't it? Even you can enclose this y inside var tag also. Let's save it, hit refresh and there you go. Now you can see another thing, that is, let's enclose this whole thing inside big tag. Now let's save it and come here, hit refresh, and now it seems bigger, isn't it? So this is about the superscript. Now we have to see something about the subscript, isn't it? So let's write here log sub say 10, end the sub tag, and let's write 1000. Let me save it, come here, hit refresh, and there you go. So it's log 10 1000. Now this is a logarithmic mathematics. I think its value will be 3, I guess. 1000 is 10 cube and it's 3. Log 10 10, that's 1 and it will be 3. Okay, so that's logarithmic math. We are not covering any mathematic problems here. Only we are getting familiar with some tags of text formatting. So that's it. This is a logarithmic mathematics. So we can implement this using the sub tag. And x to the power y, we have achieved this using the sup tag, which is the superscript. Now there are two more. Let me paste the paragraph. I like jam. Oh yeah, I really like jam. Okay, so another thing is, say for example, you can say, hey Shupriyo, I don't like jam. I like cheese. So what you can do is, you can delete my jam and you can write your cheese. How? Let me write here, I like jam, then provide a space and you write cheese. So how is this possible? I like jam cheese. Now you like only cheese, but you were about to delete this jam. How? Let's enclose it inside del tag. So what you are doing is, I don't like jam, I like cheese. Let's come here, hit refresh, and there you go. I like not jam but cheese. You can even copy this. Let's come here, paste it, and you can write here not red but green. Let's save it. Come here, hit refresh, and there you go. I like not red but green. Okay. So this is the deleted text. You can implement that. Now there is another text formatting tag, and that is the inserted text tag. First of all, let me paste it, and instead of del, let's write here ins. Let's save it and hit refresh. I like jam cheese. Let's delete this one. Now that's it. I like jam. Or you can say that this is inserted text. Let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. So this is the inserted text. So that's it friends. Here in this lecture we have seen some of the text formatting tags which you can use in your projects or at any time in your future. You have this file. I recommend that just go through these tags and try to practice it. Not memorize it, but practice it. If you practice more, then automatically these tags will be in your brain. You don't have to memorize all these things. So that's it, friends. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.